Hey everybody, Heather from Hookedonpickin here. I am here to talk to you about today's weekly specials. What did we put on sale this week?
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
All right, so how do we find our weekly specials? First off, you just go to hookedonpickin.com. You normally pop up to this screen. It does go scroll through various different pictures like this one, and this one. And so you can wait till that weekly specials one pops up and hit the Go Now button, or simply anytime go to weekly specials right there at the shop drop down menu, or you can go here to weekly specials here. So let's go ahead and click this, and we have 12 new items that is on sale, and let's see what each individual item is that we have on sale. So I know some of you are in the postseason for baseball, and so here you're going to want to celebrate with a baseball chip and dip glass bowl. So the ball is attached to the bottom plate. Looks like a baseball field with a bunch of fans in the stand, various different colors. $9.99 is what we have this discounted for. It's a 12-inch plate, great for chips and dip. It does go in the dishwasher, and so it's really amazing. So check out this baseball chip and dip glass bowl so that you can see some, you can host in style. Then next we have the Lulu NYC mani-pedi set. Now I know from this picture it probably just doesn't look as clear as you'd like, but let's see what all is in there. First off, you've got toasted marshmallow hand lotion, toasted marshmallow foot lotion. How amazing is that? Perfect time of the year to think about marshmallows and s'mores. You've got pink nail polish, silver nail polish, 2 toe separators, and a clear zip carry bag, and an emery board. And so that is what is in this Lulu NYC mani-pedi set for $6.99. Then we have our bright 10 color eyeshadow palette. Not sure what color eyeshadow works for you? Well, here you go. For only $3.49, you can get an eyeshadow primer, which simply you put on before you put your eyeshadow on, and it makes everything amazing as far as staying on. And then you can choose any one of these eyeshadows. You can mix and match and play with it. You can start from dark to light, from bottom to top, do various different things. So here is the bright 10 color eyeshadow palette for $3.49. Then we have beautiful earrings. So we have them in silver and gold. I call them the cubic zirconia triangle door knocker earrings. Call them a door knocker because it has the little cubic zirconia hanging on the inside. Each one of the triangles is either set in a gold tone or a silver tone, and it has cubic zirconias along the entire triangle. So beautiful, beautiful earrings. They're made right here in the United States from a stateside distributor, and so $8.99 for each pair. So whether you like gold or you like silver, you can get either one here on our weekly specials. They're normally a higher price. Then we have our daily activity kids closet organizer. This can be for not just kids, but anybody. This is amazing. So it's 11 inches by 11 inches, so fits a nice 8.5, 11 piece of paper if you want to do files in it, or if you want to do clothing, anything like that. So it's 48 inches long. You hang it in the closet. Perfect way to be fun and practical, and the colorful design helps out too. It's also, if you notice there, it's got some side pockets here that helps organize some things as well. So really neat for just keeping everything neat and orderly, and it does fold up to be real small, so if you don't use it, it stores really well as also. And so $8.99 for the daily activity kids closet organizer can be used for anybody. This is one of my favorite necklaces that we have. This is a beautiful silver tone necklace to dress up any outfit. It's 20 to 24 inches long. The thing I love about this necklace is, look at this, is the clasp here. And so all you do is simply pull on these little ends here, and you can make it as short or as long as you want. All of these Tree of Life decor pieces are all fixed in position, so they're not going to slide around on you, but they're really a beautiful necklace, can be worn anywhere, in great detail on them to decorate any outfit. It does have a hint of purple there, but mostly silver on everything, and a really comfortable snake chain. Like I said, 20 to 24 inches long. Then we have the $100 bill nylon wallet. So this is $2.99. It folds out to look just like this, and really nice foldable trifold wallet. And so if you've got someone in your life that's needing a new wallet, well, here you go. Here's a fun one that looks like a $100 bill. $2.99 is the only cost for it. It holds credit cards. It has the license window, and of course the billfold area for the dollar bills. So $100 Benjamin Franklin Velcro closure $100 wallet. So here's the Velcro here. Then we have, this is super handy. I keep this around my house, use it all the time. This is a 30+1 mini screwdriver set. It's only $4.99 right now, so I have it discounted. Everything in the weekly specials is a discounted price for only this week, so you need to go snatch it up right now. So this is 30+1 mini screwdriver set, 30 changeable bits with a colorful handle, and so comes like this, and you just simply put the different bits in here to use it. And so I use mine all the time. It's super handy. You can hang it up on this little hook, and then it screws closed so that you don't lose any of the small pieces. Then we have this women's short sleeve open front cardigan. So we have it in small, medium, and large, but it does fit a little bit on the larger side. So it drapes really nice and comfortable. It's short sleeved, kind of like to the elbow, like it shows on the model here. It's a perfect layer to make any outfit look instantly put together. So you can be in some black leggings, a black t-shirt, throw this on, and you look a little bit more dressy. So it's soft and stretchy. And like I said, it runs a little bit on the bigger size. So if you typically wear maybe, let's say, an extra large, you can easily fit in the large. I normally wear an extra large. I fit the large just fine. And we have it in medium and small as well. All right, then we have... I don't know why this picture came up like this, but then we have this sports picture here. Let me go ahead and pop open. Yeah, my pictures came up a little bit differently on these. And so let me go ahead and get the actual listings for some of these. Hold on. We're going to just click on the actual listings here. There we go. All right, here's the women's activewear zip-up jacket with hoodie, $7.99. We have it in a small and a medium, and those do fit true to size. So it's super comfy, very lightweight. It's a jacket you could go running in or just use for a nice fall day. So it does have pockets and a full zipper and a top zipper up there on the bust line. And it's one of those moisture wicking materials. So $7.99 for this gray and black zip-up jacket. And then let's go ahead and get this one opened up as well. All right, so we also have the Black Bear box 4-inch knife. So this comes in a cool decorative box. And so a great gift idea, comes with the picture and the knife. And the knife has the picture of the Black Bear on both sides. It's a stainless steel handle, does fold and lock all the way out. And then you unlock it right here in this section here. It's got a gold finish handle and an oak gift box. Really nice. $7.49 is the discounted price on that. And then last but not least, we have a women's seamless tank slip dress. This does fit a little snugger than normal. And so we've got, this is a plus size. So whether you're a large, extra large, 2X, 3X, it's supposed to stretch to all those sizes. And so this is very minimalist. You could even throw a cardigan on over the top of it. Sleeveless scoop neckline, fits like a glove, soft and stretchy. It is very soft material, but it's like a tank slip dress, and perfect to go underneath a dress or just wear just like you see there. So $4.99 for this slip dress, and it is made, it's burgundy in color, and it's got some spandex in it, but it's made for kind of large, extra large, 2XL sizes. So go ahead and check that out. So hopefully you enjoyed all of the new items on the weekly specials. Make sure you get the special discounted deals for this week. We make the adjustments usually every Saturday and then make the new announcements for the new products every Sunday. So anytime you're at hookedonpickin.com, just simply check out all of the weekly specials, as well as some of our other categories: kitchen and home decor, toys, handbags, purses, and wallets. Maybe you want to jump right into toys and be shopping for Christmas. We got snacks and candy too. And check out our fun finds, because we always have super interesting things in there. I think we've even got like a trail cam. Yep, a trail cam in there right now. And a pet fountain with a stainless steel top, which is super neat and interesting. Also, if you like hot stuff, here you go. You can plant your own hot Carolina Reaper pepper plant. Crazy stuff. So check out all the craziness that's going on at hookedonpickin.com and all the good deals that you can find. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.